Hello everyone. Today we'll solve Natas level from level 1 to level 2. So we have already got it the level 2 password. So we will jump to from level 2 to level 3. So let's go. Just we get it the level 2 password. So let's browse it here. As usual, the username is level 2 or level 2 is Natas 2. The password will be here. This is the password. So our mission is to jump to level 3. Let me make it bigger. Yeah, there is nothing on this page. So as usual, we have to check first of all the source page, the view source page. Okay, let me make it bigger, this one also. Yeah, if you see it, yeah, if you see it around this stuff in the header has nothing to do with this label. This one at the comment, this one is nothing to do on this label. So we have to focus around this. So let's see it, what is inside this directory, inside this one, inside the files. So let me check it here. Files. Yes, yeah, we get it the path. Yeah, this one is interesting. Username users.txt. Let us view it. Yes, we got it, the password for the Natas level 3. This one. Yeah. So let's go to the next level. If you get this one is interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.